Hi all. So quick one here just to look at how to monetize your Joinable profile, the most important part of it all. It's very simple. All you need to do is connect Stripe, and Stripe will handle all of the transaction fees and split everything out and send you the difference. It happens instantly. The Stripe processing times can take anywhere from usually 1 to 3 days, and as you make more transactions, that payout period becomes quicker and more reliable. But it's instant, it's all set up. We don't sort of hold anything on our side. It's all divvied up as a third party, and Stripe is a very reputable transaction company which is in the back of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of websites across the web. So you probably used this before in some fashion. So what you'll need to do is create a Stripe account. If you don't have that already, just go onto the Stripe website and create that directly with them, and then all you need to do is sync that with your Joinable profile. So when you're in your dashboard, you need to go into the Manage Account Details drop-down section. There's a page there called Payout Method. So once you're in there, just click on the Edit Info button that you'll see appear, and then you just need to log in, basically, with your details. So pop in your email address, your password. It may ask you for a two-factor authentication, so perhaps you have an app set up, or it might send you a text message. Just depends on your particular setup and how you've done that on your side. Once you're there, it may ask you a couple of prompt questions, so we'll just move through and answer those. For the purpose of this video, we'll just hit no on this one for now. And next couple of things. Okay, and so that's done. So what we then suggest is just to do a test transaction. So if you go through to your Joinable profile page, you might have loaded in some memberships and products already ready for sale. And the best way to do a test transaction is to create either a membership or a product. Make sure the membership doesn't renew as well, just for your purposes, but create something that is to the value of $5. $5 is the minimum transaction through Joinable. And if you use a credit card or a bank card or anything like that from your organization, that way obviously it's a very easy way to do the expense sheet at the end of the day, but then the revenue will go through to that account as well, so it's nice and clean. But staying on track, the easiest way is to create a $5 membership or product and simply just check out and experience that from a customer side. And once you're happy with that, you'll see how quick and easy it is and all these things, and you're done. Then of course you can start telling the world and start pulling more people in through Joinable and receiving all the money as instant as possible as it gets divvied up through Stripe and sent out. So if you have any other questions at all, as always, please let us know. We're always here to help, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.